Hello traders, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to trade with Candlestick Psychology. Let's go to analyze the market. And this is a Euro GPI pair. I'm expecting to make a bullish candle. Okay, middle of the trend, some buyers enter the market very strongly. So that's the reason I place a higher option. Okay, next support and resistance level at here. And this is a very strong buyer's entry. Next level at here. But this is a very strong reversal zone. Let's see how 10 seconds only. Okay, this is a winning trade. Have checked the next pair. Okay, we'll place a layer option. This is a support level, but this is a very strong candles. And next buyer's entry point at here. This is a seller's area. Okay, and this is a market momentum. This is a support and resistance level already breakout, but there is no buyer rejection at this candle, so that's why reason I place a layer option. Let's see. Okay, it's going to down, and major trend also downtrend market. You can see this is a very strong sellers area. Let's see, have 5 seconds only. Okay, this also winning trade. Have checked the next pair. Okay, we'll place a layer option. Very good entry point. Actually, it's make a breakout candle, so that's why reason I place a layer option. But there is no seller's entry. Let's see. And this also very strong seller's area. It's make a rejection. And I'm expecting this type of market momentum. Okay, after breakout, I'm expecting make a retracement candle. Okay, this also margin safety trade. Let's see. And major trend also downtrend market. Okay, you can see going to down. Actually, this is a support level. I'm expecting this type of candle. Okay, this also winning trade. It's giving a margin safety trade. Okay, have checked the next pair. Okay, I will place a higher option. It's a support level turn into a resistance level, so that's why reason I will place a higher option. Okay, exactly closing point at the level. Okay, maybe this type of market I'm expecting. And there is no respected the support and resistance level this candle. Now next level it here. Okay, change the direction. This is a resistance level. Okay, very strong sellers entry. Next level it here, so that's why reason I place a layer option. Okay, this is a gap down opening. Okay, this is support level. Let's see, sometimes this candle touch the support level, make a rejection very strongly. Sometimes make a bullish candle, sometimes make a very strong bearish candle, sometimes make a rejection candle. So this is also 50-50 chances. You can see this candle cover the gap. So this type of gap ups and gap downs very confusion in the market. Maybe I don't know this candle. It's giving a winning or loss. Okay, it's going to down. Okay, make a rejection. Okay, you can see again candle cover the gap. So this is 100% of unexpected. Okay, this is a very strong buying force. I'm expecting make another bullish candle. So touch the resistance level, again going to buyers enter the market. Okay, again going to buyers enter the market. So I'm expecting this type of market. Let's see. Okay, you can see this touch the level. Without touch the resistance level, have to place a lower option, but this is a touch the resistance level, it's going to more up. So that's the reason I place a higher option. Okay, you can see this is also bullish candle. Okay, check the next pair. Okay, we'll place a higher option also. It's a very strong bullish candle, so I'm expecting make a new high. You can see this is a market momentum. Now this is a sellers area, but uptrend market don't respect at the sellers area. Okay, this is a higher highs. You can see this is a higher lows. I'm expecting this type of market. So candle closing exactly at the level, so that's the reason I place a higher option. Okay, let's see. This is a perfect level, and this is a support level, turn into resistance level. This is a breakout. Okay, this is also winning trade. Okay, already saying don't expect the double bottom at uptrend market. Okay, it's going to directly up, easily break the previous resistance level. Okay, let's see how check the next pair. Okay, we don't know this market momentum. And this is a sellers area. Now this is a buyers area. Now next buyers end pointed here, but I don't know, sometimes are it's middle of the trend, enter the buyers. So make a new high after place a trade. There is no make a new high, and there is a sellers area. Okay, let's see, this is a 50-50 chances. How to place a lower option. And there is a resistance area, that's why reason I place a lower option. And previously some sellers are very strongly enter the market, so that's why reason I place a lower option. But it's a 50-50 chances also, sometimes are not respected the level, this OTC market, and this is a downturn market. Okay, it's going down, have 10 seconds only. Okay, this is also winning trade. Okay, I'll place a 6 trades, all are winning trades, and I hope if you like this video, like, share and subscribe. If you are interested, joining my Telegram video course. Okay, thank you.